Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will compare Wix and GoHighLevel. These are two different website tools. And if you are confused about which one is perfect for you, I will explain it all in simple word. Also make sure to check the description below. I have added links and the best prices offers. So don't forget to take a look. Wix is one of the most popular website builder. It's easy to use. You don't need coding. You can drag and drop, add pictures, videos, and design your site just by clicking. It's perfect for small businesses, blogs, or personal websites. Now, GoHighLevel is a bit more different. It's not just a website builder, it's a full marketing tool. You can build websites, but also send emails, make landing pages, create sales funnels, and even manage clients and leads. So it's more like a full tool for agencies or online business owners. Wix is better if you want something simple and fast, just build a site and publish it, but it doesn't give you strong marketing feature. GoHighLevel is better if you are running a business where you need capture lead, send message, and automate your sales process. In terms of design, Wix has many templates and it's very beginner friendly. GoHighLevel is also powerful, but it can look a little technical at first. So if you are not used to these tools, it may take a little time to learn. Now let's talk about pricing. Wix has paid plans, but it's cheaper. GoHighLevel is more expensive, but that's because it offers a lot more feature in one place. So what's perfect for you? If you just need a website for your shop or blog, Wix is enough. But if you are doing marketing, running ads, handle client, GoHighLevel will give you the more power. That's the full comparison between Wix and GoHighLevel. I hope now you know which is better for you. I have added the offer links in the description, so don't forget to check that out before you decide. Thanks for watching and like the video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.